Hello, I am Aryamann Sharma, the project leader of this group. Along with it, I am also the prototype builder of the AI model.
Hello, I am Madhav, Rana, data expert of this project. I am also the video producer as well as the tester for the AI model.
Hello, I'm Niyamat, information researcher, communication and marketing leader. Air pollution is a significant concern across the world. The pollutants of air can be found in vehicles, factories, power plants and construction sites. Therefore, it's important to monitor and identify the cause of air pollution, for which AI can be used. The AI model developed by us, the students of DAVBRS Public School, BRS Nagar, Ludhiana, can help us predict the air pollution levels. For this, the parameters chosen are PM10 and PM2.5, which means particles in air of diameter 10 micron and 2.5 micron respectively. For the prediction, the model is fed with air quality data of previous years, which will identify the pattern and give us predictions accordingly.
In the prototype building phase, I have chosen random forest regressor as it's effective for non-linear relationships, which is common in environmental data.
So as a data expert, my job is to collect and clean the data for the AI model. Real-time dataset will contain various missing values due to various reasons and which can be a problem while training the AI model. So to solve this problem, we use KNN or K nearest neighboring computer, which replaces the missing values with the average of the nearest K points in the feature space.
In the testing phase, we split the data such that 80% is training data and 20% is testing data. We can see how well the model has performed based on the predictions and comparing them into the testing data.
As a tester, I tested the AI model using testing data and checked its functionality.
In the testing phase, we split the data such that 80% is training data and 20% is testing data. In our case, the model is highly accurate with an FN score of 0.7. This model also exhibits an RMSE value of 38.32 and the mean square error value of 1468.60.